In this segment, you will learn how to recognize the difference between facts and opinions. A fact is a statement that can be proven to be true or false. In other words, it's a statement that might not be true. For instance, if I said Texas is larger than California, it's a statement of fact, but it might not be true. So how do I prove it? You can prove a fact through measurement. In other words, I can look at the area of California and look at the area of Texas and see which one is in fact larger. Or I can use scientific data to prove a statement of fact, or historical records. These are just some of the ways that you can prove a statement of fact. Opinions, on the other hand, cannot be proven because they're all emotional. It's somebody's point of view. And when somebody has a point of view, there's always an opposite point of view. So when you're reading, you're looking for words that authors use to express their opinions, like should, or must, or beautiful, or good, or bad. And usually they're trying to persuade you. So to determine the difference between a fact and opinion, you could ask the following questions. Could I prove it in some way? If yes, then it's a fact. If someone could have an opposite opinion, then it's an opinion. So let's put it to practice. Drake High School has the highest percentage of graduates in America. Is this a statement of fact? Can I prove it? Or is this an opinion? Could somebody have an opposite opinion? Well, this is a statement of fact because I could prove it in some way, because I can measure the percentages. If you spank your child, you're abusing your child. Could I prove it in some way? Well, perhaps I could say that anybody who spanks their child is abusing their child, and in that way I would have to, well, I can't even imagine how to measure this. But could somebody have an opposite view? Yes, somebody could have an opposite view. So you can see how easy it is to be fooled by opinions, especially if you agree with the opinion. So it's important to know the difference. Larry Hoover, or Big Meech, was the first rap artist. Is this a fact? Could I prove it in some way? Well, yes, I could look in some historical book somewhere about rap and find out if that's true or not. So yes, it's a statement of fact. Many forms of cancer can be directly linked to smoking. Can I prove it? Yes, because there is scientific data to prove it. For more information on this topic, please review the video, or you can jump to the segment tests.